Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm making a dip. I'm making a boat dip. This has become very popular on TikTok, Facebook Reels. I've seen it all over the place. So I thought I would give it a try and share it with you guys. It only uses 4 ingredients, so it sounds super simple. So let me show you just how to make it because it's that time to get cooking. So the first thing you will need is a 16-ounce container of sour cream. You will also need some taco seasoning. Now you can just use 1 packet of taco seasoning. I like to use my homemade version. This is 3 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning. And I have a shorts video that shows you just how to make it. I'm going to add that. And then 2 cups of a shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And finally, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. However, you need to drain the liquid off. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, so then add those tomatoes and green chilies. And then just give it a good stir. All right, so that's all there is to it. Now I just want to show you a very simple but beautiful way to present this boat dip. Just take a larger bowl, set your dip in the center, and then take some tortilla chips and just spread them out around the dip. Wow, this is super easy and it's so delicious. I even think this would be good on tacos or taco salad. All right, that's all there is to it. Delicious boat dip or beach dip, pool dip, party dip, cookout dip, any time of year dip. It's delicious. I hope that you give it a try. Well, if you like this video, would you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Share my videos and help me grow this channel. But I want to thank you for watching. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.